This is my friend Gianna. And this is Yaz and G on our way to downtown. Rooftop lounge in Climatics where we brought the chaos. And this is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath Airbnb in West Palm Beach via the homie Big Al, link in the description. But maybe we should start from the beginning. Several hours prior, I jumped on a plane from Los Angeles. No people in my row. You know that's the beginning of a good weekend. And not just any weekend, Ricky and Neria were doing their grand opening of Zipitios during Cinco de Mayo. I landed like a zombie in Palm Beach Airport and got picked up by the infamous orange van that Ricky uses for produce. Check out the detail in the graphics. We took a quick stop to Grand View Public Market where Zipitios was now transformed to Bonitas. Slightly different menu, same dope, soul-filling food. Checked into my Airbnb and before you know it, it was grand opening time. When I arrived in the late afternoon, the party was already cracking and it never died down. The setup outside was immaculate. Merch, full bar, DJ, team in check, ready to rock. Check the interior, super clean. Day turned to night super quickly and it was on and cracking with the flavors team. Shout out Selector Steve and G Rhymes for curating the vibe. Quick shout with my brother Ricky. Our crew continued to take it downtown to Climatics where it was literally a non-stop soundtrack. We got loose, we got lit. Shout out Zipitios and all area crew. Cinco de Mayo forever, y'all.